everybody, come on in and welcome back to Caldera Creative Creations. This is our holiday wreath channel, and today I'm so excited because I got another beautiful, spectacular wreath going on. That said, let's get started. We are working with some bandana fabric. Ooh, we also got some roses. We got some hearts. We also got our beautiful little ribbon put together, which we got a 12-inch on the black. We got a cougar one that's 11-inch, and the burlap is 10. We also working with this ribbon, which is 3 yards, and I cut a little piece off at the end and made a little ribbon and just pinned it on, glued it on here. The heart is 99 cents. I painted on it, and I just pinned it on this ribbon. Okay, bam, let's go. Look at what we got. We got this going one, then two loops at the top. 2 loops at the top. Okay, we got 2 loops at the top, like that's 12 inches each. We're gonna get that in here. Wow. Okay, we got this. Let's get this guy in here. This is with the wired wreath. This is a 14-inch, by the way. And let's get this guy up here so we can have a tail up there. Now we're gonna work our way down. We're gonna work our way down, and we are going to do 1 loop. This is gonna be a 1 loop, 12 inches. Got this, and then we're gonna just pin this guy up on here. See, I like to use a wire wreath. You can just use the wire that you got on the wreath, and boom, there it is. Oh, look at it. See how beautiful it's already coming. Wow. Okay, then we're gonna go down this way. We are going to last one. We are gonna get 2 loops. Go this way and you turn that way. Bring it around, and bam! Look at that. Oh my. Gorgeous. Leave a little tail. Okay, let me see. Just going right here. There it is. Wow, look at that. How gorgeous, just like that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to work on these beauties, which I got 3 pieces of black, 12 inches, 3 pieces of the cougar, 11-inch, and 10-inch, 3 of these. Okay, and we got a little pipe cleaner. We put these down. Put them together the way you like, and grab them together, and slow down, mama. I'm just so excited, like always, to show you guys what I got in store. Okay, then we get this, we pin it together, and there we go. Bam. Okay, we are going to use 3 of these. I got 3 of these. We're going to pin 1 here. Got this going on in the back. Wow, look at that. Oh. Just move them around the way you want. We got 1 there. Then we're going to get our other one. Let's see. Where can we put this one? Okay, I think we are going to put one right here. Right next to this guy. And the pieces of the wire are put like 7 inches. To tie them around on these. Okay, now this guy, we are going to get him. Let's see, I think we're going to get him up here. Yes, we're going to get this guy in there. Just pin on. Just pin it to a wire. You can pin it to the whole wreath. As long as it's sticking on there. Hey, look at that. Fold them out, and got that going. How gorgeous. There. Look at that, everybody. Wow. Okay, now we're going to get our flowers going. Let's go wild with the flowers again. Uh-oh, we better step back and visualize. Looking good, looking good. Remember, now balance out your items while you're putting your roses in here. Just have fun making it. Wow, look at how beautiful this is coming. Okay. Beautiful. Look at that, everybody. Okay, I think I'm going to stop right there because I got this other beauty going on right here. I think we're going to pin this guy up in here. If I can get him in there. Where are they all at? There. Use the wire to pin it on, move them around. There. Oh, how beautiful. Then we are going to get a little one and put right there, a little flower. Then we'll get the little flower right here. Don't want to cover up our heart too much. Okay, then we're going to get another one here. Just put all the flowers in the spaces that need some coverage, you know, and let me see. You know what, everybody? I think we got it again. I think we got it. And there it is. Another beauty going on. Right on these, you could just tuck the... If you really want to keep these sturdy, you know, you can use a glue gun to keep them all on there. Just pop up all these beauties and I'll show you what we got, everybody. Wow. I had fun being here with you guys. And like always, thanks for subscribing to my channel. Ooh, you guys are helping out my channel a lot. And thanks to the viewers and the fans. And look at this. Look how it comes out. Ooh, I got to check this out. Wow, everybody. Once again, thanks for coming to Caldera Creative Creations. Until the next one. Everybody have a fun day and smile. Ooh, look at that. And happy Valentine's Day. Wow. Hey, with all the different textures and colors. Try to find some unique colors. Wow. And thank you for watching my video. Until next time. See ya.